Alright guys, so if you can see the screen, this is someone's payment proof from this platform I'm about to introduce you to. So these are other people's testimony, but they are not mine. I got it from somewhere. So I'm about to introduce you to a platform where you can actually perform some tasks like follow some people on Instagram, like some videos, watch some videos, things like that, and get paid directly to your bank account. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, just stay tuned to the end of this video and I'm going to explain every single thing you need to know. So these are some withdrawal proofs of some people. So now let's get into it. So basically, this platform has been existing for since 2015 and has been paying its members since. So it's a platform where people post jobs. So once you get there, each and every day, you see that there are new jobs that you can either follow Instagram, like video, like follow Twitter, perform, download a particular app, perform simple tasks, things like that, and you actually get paid very well. So that's what the app is about. The site is about. So I'll teach you everything now. Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to register on the Owodaily site and how to make money for yourself and how to withdraw and things like that on this site. So basically let me just tell you about the site. This site is not basically like other platforms. I know most of you have joined all those news reading platforms, sponsored post sharing platforms. Those ones are all of them are just scams. Let me just put it that way. Even the ones that are going around now, the AfriGold, gold mine, you can only earn through referrals there. Like most of the time, they just come for like 2 months. Then after that, they leave with people's money. It has been happening for years over and over again, and people still keep falling into down. But this one has been existing since 2015. That's one, and it's still paying till date. And what again? It also functions in over 10 countries. So it's actually legit. It's very legit and it has been existing for a long time. So to register on this site, you need a payment of 3,000 naira. You're not paying to me. You're not paying to anybody. You're paying directly on the site. So because you have to buy your membership, you have like a premium membership and a standard membership. Standard membership is 3,000 naira, while the premium membership is 13,000 naira. But I just advise you to go with the standard membership. So basically, the link is in the description box. So once you click on the link there, it will take you to a page like this where you see um let this just load. You have been invited by the server. This one you have to join um daily performance affiliate network. So once you click on that, it should take you to this page. So you see, so just click on become a member here so as you can see it works in different countries, Zambia, Uganda, and the likes. So just click on become a member. So you'll be asked to fill in your registration details. So you input your full name, your username, your email address, password, your phone number, then the country you're from. As you can see, these are the countries it currently works in. So you can see that there are a lot of countries there. So once you put in that, put in your bank name and your account name. So this will be set for withdrawal. So whenever you want to withdraw, they will pay you to this particular account. Then alright, I won't be doing now because I already have an account. An account creates multiple accounts. So once you click on complete registration to start performing tasks, they will ask you to make a payment of 3,000. So once you just pay that, it will take you to the page you're about to see now, the login page where you'll be able to perform tasks and actually make money. So basically, let me show you my dashboard now. Alright, so after you've registered and paid for the premium membership, I'm sorry, the standard membership, you just have to log in. So I'll just log in now and show you my dashboard. So I'm going to click on login. Um, Alright, so first of all, when you log in, you can see the previous jobs here, but I'm going to be coming back to that. So just click on this place. You can actually see your profile and your wallets and everything. Let's just go to wallets to see. Let me go to, you can also deposit on the site if you want to hire people. As you can see in my wallet balance, I have 1,060 naira. So let me show you how to earn on the site now. So yeah, so let us go to jobs, available jobs. So you actually perform jobs on the site and you get paid. So what you just do is, as you can see here, this one you get paid 200 naira to do this. That's Palmpay sign up. The same job here. You can see Dodo Pay users they get paid 100 naira. And Amazon sign up. Once you sign up on Amazon, you get paid 15 naira. I think this was just a recent job that just applied. As you can see, they update it each day. This wasn't there yesterday, so you have to be fast on this site if you want to make money. You have to be coming here and be monitoring it. So for this one, Instagram competition, you have to follow somebody and tag somebody like that. So you get paid 10 naira. For this one, you have to follow a Twitter account to get paid 10 naira. Get paid 10 naira for Twitter accounts. Dodo Pay sign up 100 naira. Palmpay sign up 200. Different tasks like that. Post on your WhatsApp status. You get paid 30 naira for this. Download share it light, you get paid 100 naira. Then there are also some other ones. Fair money sign up, you get paid 150. And first commission, this one is 750. This one is 2,000 naira, you get paid 2,000 naira for this, you get paid 500 naira for this. So that's just how you can perform tasks. Those are the tasks available. So let's go ahead and try to perform one task right now. So which one should we do? Okay, let me just look for the one of Instagram users. So all right, Instagram competition. So let's just click on apply when you're ready to start any job. So once you click on apply, you see this one, you get paid 10 naira for this. This one is actually very easy because you can do this within 2 minutes. So what the job instruction is here, so you say click on start job, then comment on the video and drop a nice comment and tag this person in the video. So let's just copy this right now. So we can let's just copy this. So basically to start the job, you just click on start job from here. So it will take you directly to Instagram video where you perform this. You just comment and tag the person there. So once you do that, it said proof your Instagram username. So you just put your Instagram username here. You have to submit proof here. So put your Instagram username, whatever your Instagram username is, you just put it here and click on submit. If they ask for screenshots, you should see a place that will ask you to upload proof. A button will show there so you can actually upload it. Or if there's a link you want to put as proof also, probably if there's no upload button, you can just upload your picture somewhere. So you click on link. So you put whatever link you want to put there, whatever thing you want to put there. So just put it there. So it will turn into a link. So that's how to submit. So once you're done, once you've put in that there, just click on submit proof. So the person will review it and you can actually get paid. So alright, now that we're done with that, so another way to earn on the site, as you can see, you can join Owodaily Plus, but that's a topic for another day. I won't be treating that in this video. So basically, to contact their support, this is for to contact their support. If you need any assistance with your account or with your signing up process, as you can see, you get 24/7 support. So for that, so for the top affiliates, if you want to see those that are earning, people actually earning millions from this. So let me show you something. So to do this, just click on this. I think that's for the top. Um, let's just see what this is. Alright, so for the top 10 member workers, the ones that are working the most, as you can see, this one has completed I think 1,212 jobs. So that one has completed a lot of jobs and has earned a lot of money from it. So this I think is it for the top affiliates members. So as you can see, this one has referred 2,361 members. It has ended up to almost that's over 3 million naira that he has earned from this by referring his friends, but that's not compulsory. Also, you can get paid with or without referrals. So to refer someone, what you just do is you click on get invite link. So once you do that, the you actually get paid 1,600 naira per referral. So yeah, you get paid 1,600 naira per referral. So you can just click on your check here to check your profile. Then what else? Village. I don't think that's important now, but let's just check it. So alright, you can follow some people on that are active on the platform. So basically, you can perform tasks, promote other people's products like affiliate marketing products also, then promote the platform also and get paid 1,600 naira per referral from it. So that you can also earn from those. For Owodaily Plus, basically what you just do is, as you can see, you can promote offers here like people's products. This one you don't just earn from completing tasks. You can promote people's products or the site or anything you want to promote, and you also get paid from it. That's for that one. The registration fee is 13,000. Um, 13,000 naira. So basically that's just it. So you can also post jobs on the site. Like if you have something you want to do, like you want people to follow your Instagram or so, you can just click on this place and click on my jobs. So you post jobs from there. If you want people to follow you on Instagram, you can post it there. So you actually pay some people to follow you, things like that. So that's just basically how the platform works. If you want to register, the link to the website is in the description box. You can get registered there and join the classic membership, and you can start earning as soon as possible. Alright, so for the minimum withdrawal is 5,000 naira, which is, as you can see, I have 1,000. I already have 1,600 in my wallet. I registered about 6 days ago, not 6 days ago. So I have 1,600 naira in my wallet. So the minimum withdrawal is 5,000, and they take a 5% fee. So you can actually withdraw from this. So yeah, that's just basically all about the platform. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to register, the link is in the description box, and I'll see you in the next one.